Hello everyone. So I am working on another box kit. I know some people don't really care for that, but some people do. So I made the 5 mini journals that are going to go in it. And again, I just started on figuring out what I want to do semi with it. So first things first, I have this beautiful Stamperia rice paper, and I was really thinking it would be cool to put this underneath, like in the inside here, just because, why not? So I'm normally not one to do this, but again, I like the idea of using this, so I want it to be in the inside of this. Kind of have to fold it over. I mean, it ain't gonna be perfect, but that's okay. So that's going to be part of the inside. Again, I just thought decorating the inside is a big deal in my mind, rather than it all being the same. Didn't even realize I had that in my collection, but that's kind of cool. Now, I'm going to just take my paper clip here and open this up because I don't use it very often. But this is just regular white glue I keep handy for these types of pieces, just because I don't like to keep Mod Podge everywhere. So again, I just have that white glue sitting off and about. I have a paintbrush here, so I'm just painting basically the glue, white glue, all the way around the box. Again, this is just a nice way to put down this rice paper, since I don't, again, always keep Mod Podge hanging about. And yeah, I still have my last project hanging out. Underneath this, because why not? And again, I'm just playing with the glue. Basically, that's what I'm calling it. Just to give it some minor details that, again, I like to do these minor details, which I know some people are like, why would you take the time to do this? Why not? Okay, let's stick some glue. Now, you could really just use any kind of glue, as I said, I'm using school glue. But again, you could do it however way you want to do it. I'm just made the choice of using the school glue because that's what I had on hand. And it doesn't stick to anything after it dries, so that's part of the reason why I like using school glue. So we'll let that dry. Now, I'm not going to do the inside of this one just yet because I want to work on the outside at the moment. So I'll put the rice paper aside while I work on this. Now, I was thinking about adding or using this stencil on this a little bit, but I don't know. I think I'd use this Tim Holtz stencil. It's a layering stencil, is all it says on here. So I don't know which Tim Holtz stencil this is, technically. Yeah, it says layering stencil. That's all it says on it. But I have this lovely frame from a collection that I got from Mixed Media, Minnesota. And this feels very acrylic, so I was thinking either this way or this way. I think this way would be fun. And then having the stamp, or this stencil on the sides of it. And then I have these decorative chips from Stamperia, so this was another one that was probably a mixed media Minnesota find. I kind of just collect it. Little chipped pieces. But I was thinking we could add our love dreams. So I'm thinking now maybe our love would be kind of cool on this side of it, and then dreams on this side. What? I'll do it in a minute, okay? I'm in the middle of a video. Alright. I made tacos tonight, so she's already had 2. And then I was thinking something like this in the frame. And some of these flowers on the outside and stuff. But also, I think, do I have anything more from that one collection? That's what I'm looking at here. Okay. That piece. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay. So I have this piece left from that collection that I used, and I was thinking one of these would be kind of pretty in back of it. This piece. So we could make it go down a little bit farther. And our love and dreams. Or do I want to keep it plain? Because I could. We could keep it plain and just do this part. But I don't really like it that way. So I think either I'm thinking the giraffes or the kangaroos here. So again, this is my thought process, and as I said, it's going to be a bit here and a bit there, and I'm not necessarily doing all the stuff all at once with you. I'm, as usual, sometimes I'll do things off screen, sometimes I'll do things on screen. I'll probably put this part together off screen. I don't know yet. We'll see. Let's now add this other bit quick because, yeah. Like that, I just bent that edge there so I know what I'm supposed to cut. And then I guess I'm just going to leave the rest of this rice paper. I might actually glue some of that rice paper onto this frame. That'd be kind of cool. Give it a little bit added look to it even more. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know what the heck's going on with this glue. But I don't know if I have any. No, that's texture paste. That's white gesso. That ain't gonna work. So